Okay, according to the theme, kills animals is immortal. I think it's actually, yeah, I do not agree with the statement of killing animal, because in my opinion, this word like killing is more, I think, giving us a bad vibes. So I think we should use some word like slaughtering, because we conduct this process solely to utilize the products, and in this case of the meat, is the meat. Furthermore, slaughtering animals actually not immoral if we do it using by right methods according to the applicable laws. In general, the slaughtering process is conducted in two stages. Stage one is stunning. This process is allow animal to be unconscious and to not feel the pain before they are being stitched or slaughtered. And the stunning is be done by three. Number one is gunfires, a metal bolt into the brain of animals, and number two is electrical animal brains, so they lost conscious temporarily, and we cut them off. And number three is gas stunning. Use high concentrations of carbon dioxide. And the stage 2 is sticking, using a very sharp knife to cut the animals while the animals is unconscious, allowing rapid blood loss, thus the death of the animals. And the point number 2 is, I don't think that meat make obesity, because I think 80% of obesity is because we consume more of sweets, sugar. And I think human needs meats because meats contain a good source of proteins, vitamins, and minerals in your diet. And the second one is protein naturally and complete. So in meat, you can find a lot of protein, especially in meat, and poultry is complete because it contains all the amino acids essentials for health. Animal proteins are complete proteins, and they occur naturally, which is we don't need to consume more protein powder or something else. And the next one is iron rich. Meat, fish, and poultry contain heme irons, which help to prevent anemia because the body absorbs these heme irons better than non-heme. So I will describe a little of heme iron and not heme. So heme irons is iron that can be found only on meat, fish, and poultry, and non-heme is iron that can be found only in plants. And I told you before that iron found in plants found food such as vegetable, but our bodies prefer to absorb heme more than non-heme. So heme iron foods help the body absorb non-heme iron. And the last one is bioavailable nutrients. Nutrients in meat, including iron and zinc, are typically more easily to absorb by our bodies and used by our bodies. So this is the reason why we need meat, because we need heme irons that only found in meat.